Students, this is the third problem in inventory models. A company has a demand of 12,000 units per year for an item and it can produce 2,000 such items per month. The cost of one setup is rupees 400 and the holding cost per unit month is rupees 0.15. The shortage cost is rupees 20 per year. Find the optimum lot size and the total cost per year, assuming the cost of one unit as rupees 4. So here shortage cost has been mentioned in the problem and production rate has been mentioned in the problem. So this problem comes under the manufacturing model with shortages allowed. That is fourth type of inventory model. So before starting the problem, we have to convert all the data per year. So first data, that is the demand rate per annum, capital R is 12,000 and the production rate is mentioned in the problem per month 2,000. So we can convert that per year 24,000, that is denoted by capital K. Setup cost C3 is rupees 400. Holding cost C1 is given for month, that is 0.15. So we can convert that value per year by multiplying 12. So rupees 1.8 per unit per year. Then the shortage cost C2 is rupees 20 per item per year. Unit cost of the item is rupees 4. It is asked to find out the economic order quantity total cost per year. So for the fourth type of inventory model, the economic order quantity formula is root of K by K minus R into root of C1 plus C2 by C2 into root of 2C3R by C1. Okay, so all the data are available in the problem and we have converted all the data per year. So by calculating, we can get the EOQ value as 3,410 units per order. Then the total cost per year is equal to R, that is demand rate into unit price of an item. So this is the capital cost plus optimal inventory carrying cost, that is C star. So the formula for C star for the fourth inventory model is root of K minus R by K into root of C2 by C1 plus C2 into root of 2C1 C3R. Okay, so by calculating we can get the total cost per year as rupees 50,815.3185.